Hey guys.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this.
Hey boys. So today I'm back on camera looking a hot mess again. But no, today I am here with, I'm so excited because I'm just happy that this company even reached out to me, but I'm here with Unice hair, you guys. I'm so excited that they even reached out to me. Like, such an accomplishment. I feel honored. But yes, guys, so they sent me some stuff, and girl, let me tell you, these are the best eyelashes I've gotten from a hair company, to be honest with you. Because usually they be sitting there like, yeah, them little cheap ones. But girl, and these earrings, cute as hell. I'm about to wear them. But anyway, so they sent me this headband wig, and it's Brazilian hair. I think it's I'm honestly not sure what, how many inches it is. I think it's 24, 22 or something like that. But it came with this headband specifically, this one. And let's take the hair out. And this is the hair. So it's a nice like brown, like 30, like 1B30 color. And the hair is like really soft. This is like soft, girl. This is cute. Wow, this hair is like really soft. This is a body wave, but as I'm running my fingers through it, I'm literally not getting no shedding like at all. Nothing. So that's pretty good. I think this is long too. I think this is like a 22, 24. Y'all, my ass. Look, cap back on. Boom. Boom. Okay. So usually I just go ahead and do my hairs now? Yeah. Usually I just go ahead and do my baby hairs. Well, I don't think you really have a choice, but I guess you do have a choice. But me personally, I just do my baby hairs before I put the damn wig on because beach. Yeah. Anyway, so big swoops, bitch. Big swoops. Okay, so next, so that's done. I'm gonna turn on my ear. I'm sorry it's hot. A little louder. I'm sorry y'all for the noise, but I'm probably stop talking anyway because I gotta do these pin curls, and I will not be doing a talk through with the pin curls because no. Yeah, this is pretty long, baby. Them other ones, but this is really snug. I like this. This is cute. This is cute, y'all. Ooh, ow. Okay. Okay, so bitch, I'm motherfucking done, ho. I'm done, okay? So, these my little pin curls. I'm not swing around too much, but I'm gonna keep these in for a couple hours until I go to work. And I will see y'all when I take them out. I don't even know about these lashes. That's why I only got some deodorant. Anyways, I don't even know about these lashes, y'all. That's why I got them. Only one on, and I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna do the whole video like this because they're so long. Like, they look like bat wings, girl. I'm a little nervous to wear these. They're so long. But anyway, so I'm taking on these pin curls. I took a shower, so I don't know if they even like stayed in like that for real. while the curls were still in my hair. I don't know if I've ever done that before, but it works. I know I'm not really doing this in the best way, but I'm trying to wish for you can still see the black part a little bit, but I'll fix it later. But this is it. I think this is so cute. I'm gonna put this other eyelash on because it looks right now that it's all together. I think, or should I do no eyelashes? I don't know, but yeah, I gotta go. So bye y'all.